So hello everyone, my name is Saurabh and we are back. Today we will be doing the 22nd question of what do we call top interview lead code question to be कहते हैं. And we are on the question. This is our question. I have actually read this question earlier, uh, not today. I mean आप लोगों के साथ में बोला just before recording this so that I don't waste your people time. That is why I opened this question earlier. And the thing is, I tried this question earlier, but I wasn't able to do this question. There is a there is a trick to this question basically. Although see, I have read this question. I remember to remember this. I will again read this. The string PayPal is written as exact pattern or given number of rows. Like this, you want me to display the pattern on a fixed font or better. I actually understand this question. This is saying ki PAHN, AP, and so basically there are these number of strings and all. Basically, a string is given. We have to spread it across in this type of pattern, zigzag pattern. This is the pattern which is being given. Now, this is not actually a zigzag pattern. This is basically saying, let's say I'm given PayPal is hiring. This is what is basically happening is, let's say there are in this first test case there are three number of rows, right? So PA, then you have Y, then you again went to PAY, PA, PA, yes, PAY, P, oh sorry, we are going from down to, you know, PAY, P, and then there is your A, okay? Then there is your L, there is your I, okay? This is what basically happening है ऐसे करके पूरी string and then you just need to concatenate the whole string. This is what the core logic of this question is. I will be doing this question in the VS Code. So let me just uh, अबे यार, we have the folder. यार ये ऑटो कंप्लीट क्यों नहीं. अब क्या इशू है बिट सेंसिटिविटी. हाँ हाँ. सो द थिंग वाज कि कुछ इस प्रकार से देयर वाज दी स्ट्रिंग है ना. आई जस्ट नीड टू कन्वर्ट एंड रिटर्न अ स्ट्रिंग. ठीक है. सो लेट मी जस्ट सेट अप अ बेस केस. If num rows, uh, if it is equals to, in that case we simply return s. This is the check for one so that we are not getting into any buffer flows, over buffer flows we get a overflow and all, just to avoid those things. And by the way, video record to रही है ना. You're on this one. Now what is going to happen is I have the start size, and then I will basically the key is we move up, oh sorry, we move down and then we move up. So we will be needing two booleans. This is which is, I will initially see the first iteration should be true, right? Yes. Now the other is bool up, which will be set to this. And since we have to iterate to the every value, so it is better to use the pointer. I will just set a while loop, and until and unless the pointer is basically less than n. By the way, have I started the timer and all? Just start the timer. थोड़ा सा मिनट ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है. Just look, you know कि भाई कितनी देर में किया. Now, I will be iterating from top to bottom and top ऐसे करके. Now, if down, in that case, if we are moving down, we are going to move in a loop. I is equals to 0, I less than num rows, and segment. I think एक मिनट ऊपर डिक्लेयर करते हैं इसको, because we need somewhere to store all of these value, right? क्या कर दिया मैंने? Yeah, naming it as matrix and it has num rows, and we are over here. Matrix ith dot pushback यार. Now if we reach the end, if my pointer equals n, that case break. Should I do this post this for loop also? देखते हैं. नहीं, since हो सकता है कि मेरे को इसके बाद में भी यूज़ करना पड़े. अब I is currently equals to num rows minus of 2. We are at the last second value, right? And my I is greater than equals to 0 minus minus exactly the same thing. ठीक है? Matrix ith dot pushback pointer um हाँ. Perfect. Up and down iterations, and I have in the plus equals I str. Perfect. वही जब this was easy कि down iteration up iteration, and after every down iteration you go up, and after every up iteration you go down. क्या एरर है? कुछ और ही स्ट्रिंग बन रही है तो ये क्या हो गया? एक सेकेंड. pay 0 pay, then we again move to p. I mean इसमें p पे ही चला गया हम लोग. Minus of 2p, then at the 0 a, then this is at the 0. ये भी 0 से शुरू हुआ है. फिर इसको 1 करना है तो 1 करना है तो बाकी में क्या हो रहा है? सेम ही हो रहा है. हाँ. तो आई थिंक एक हमने इशू छोड़ी है यहाँ पे, विच इज़ ये कि हमारी मैट्रिक्स है, मैट्रिक्स का जो 0th एलिमेंट है डॉट पुश बैक. आई विल बी पुशिंग इन क्या? आई विल पुशिंग इन दी फर्स्ट वैल्यू. तो एस पी टी आर and ptr plus plus. Just move to the next value, pushing in the first value. Perfect. I think so. ठीक है, ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता भाई क्या है, इवन आई डोंट नो ये सब क्या लिखा हुआ है। Library see error address the stack buffer overflow। stack buffer overflow होता है रे, क्यों होता है ये? लास्ट तक क्या हो रहा है, कोई कोई वैल्यू ऊपर जा रही है क्या? अम, कुछ तो एरर कर रहा हूँ भाई, क्या एरर हो रहा है? इनको बाहर मूव करूँ तो बाहर मूव करने से भी कुछ नहीं होगा, एक बार और रन करके देख। इसमें क्या हो रहा है, पी ए वाई क्योंकि रन टाइम एरर है तो इट शुड फॉर्म द एग्जैक्ट थिंग, पी ए वाई the pointer is currently at this r or n r, it should move to n, it should move to g, and after the iteration it has, oh, okay, क्या हुआ है मैं समझाता हूँ क्या हो रहा है। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू क्या हो रहा है। सी व्हाट हैपन इज कि मेरा जो पॉइंटर है, द पॉइंटर हैज बेसिकली मूव टू दिस स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू, लेट्स से n और g पर मूव कर गया वो, ठीक है। After this, basically this has happened, what happened was down was turned to false and up was turned to true. Now this iteration, basically this condition would be happening, this if loop will be executed. Now in this if loop, number or minus of 2 I greater than equal to 0, minus minus matrix ith. Now ith is also fine, but the pointer is not there, the pointer we are trying to access is not there, ठीक है ना? So basically I will have to move one more check, place one more check in between and after this array, ठीक है? And even after this, हमें नहीं पता कि n के अगर बराबर हो बीच में यहाँ पर आकर के n के बराबर हो जाए, है ना? अब देखते हैं एक बार चेक करके। हाँ, for the single row we have a as answer. Let's try submitting this problem. Fine, it is done quite the not the nicest job but good amount of job. We are using quite a bit of memory, we are using quite a bit of time. I mean, although this is optimization n, but still. So yes, we did. Let me just see कि और लोगों ने कैसा किया है। Sorry. Um, mm, is this a good practice? So actually we are done. I will try to improve the resultant code, not in front of the camera, क्योंकि फिर ज़्यादा duration हो जाती तो it's harder for me to upload the video. I mean basically it takes a lot of time and a lot of internet. And yes, that was all for today. Thanks for watching, dear ladies and gentlemen. Just like